Hey guys, if you want to draw this, wait till the end.
Let's start.
The way you're still half asleep before your first cup of coffee. The way you hold on to me when we're out in the cold. I could list off a million ways, but you just try to stop me. 'Cause the list of the ways that I need you would take me too long. So instead I guess I'll say I love you for worse or for better. Whenever, wherever, for now and forever. The moment I met you, I never saw your heart fit in mine. I love you in capital letters. Whatever the weather, you hold me together. I told you we'd get here, I never saw my heart got one thing right. You look like the rest of my life. The nights we turn out the lights and dance around the kitchen. We scream all our favorite songs at the top of our lungs. Didn't know that I had a hole in my heart. You were the piece I was missing. And now I'm head over heels and I can't get enough. I'll love you for worse or for better. Whenever, wherever, for now and forever. The moment I met you, I never saw your heart fit in mine. I'll love you in capital letters. Whatever the weather, you hold me together. I told you we'd get here, I never saw my heart got one thing right. You look like the rest of my life. Oh, you look like the rest of my life. Oh, I knew from the start your heart fit into mine. You look like the rest of my life.